like a Hellcat.
Hello YouTube, and welcome back to another video. In today's episode we are reviewing the Back to the Future Plutonium Edition Time Traveler Memories from the Dr. Collector. This is something I've been waiting for about 2 months since I ordered it, and we've already kind of gone through it, but we haven't opened everything up. So Ricky's going to help me open up this whole package. So on the package itself, this is a nice tin box with 1885, 1955, 1985, and 2015. And it kind of shows parts of the car, kind of like looking down over the back, what would be the back engine cover. And the rest of the case is just kind of, you know, like a tin case, Back to the Future on it. A couple little louvers. Alright, let's start with the first one here. And this one here is Marty's family. It has that lenticular effect. Tilt it forward and back, and his brother and sister kind of disappear. And then underneath that, take the this nice little letter written. Alrighty. Next up is a little piece of foam, kind of done up in the pattern of the flux capacitor. Now I already have one of these license plates, but this one here is a more distressed look. Looks like kind of like rust, like it made it through time travel. Next up is the barcode license plate. It's a 2015 California 136113 9 and 66 at the bottom. Kind of cool. Alright, the first package, and we haven't opened this at all. So this is a Hill Valley Twin Pines Mall bag, like you would get if you were shopping at the mall. And at the bottom it says 1985. First we have the Save the Clock Tower pendant with little ribbons hanging off of it.
What? Open? Oh.
There you go. Re-elect Mayor Goldie Wilson for honesty, decency, and integrity, 1985. Art in Revolution. Now from Biff's palette, or Biff's Casino, is a golden Biff's token, or I guess a gambling chip. Pretty cool. And then there's a red one. I actually like the gold a lot better. A Save the Clock Tower flyer. And on the back, of course, is I Love You with her phone number. Jennifer gave that to Marty. A Doc Brown business card. Cool. And this is one here I love. This is the tardy slip that Strickland gave Marty McFly, and it says lacquer. It's like a bookmark from the George McFly book, A Match Made in Space. Now here is the really cool one. This is the replica envelope of that Marty did for Doc on the night he was going back. Do not open until 1985, and it was written at Lou's Cafe. And of course, inside is a replica of the letter. Pretty cool. Now a map of downtown Hill Valley. On the back you've got Twin Pines Mall, Mall of the Future, supposed to be 74 stores. And of course the map unfolds to kind of show the town, or the town of Hill Valley. Alright, in the next bag is from Back to the Future 2. This is from the Blast from the Past 2015. And we have not opened this yet, so we're not sure what's in it. Oh, this is cool. This looks like an ad that's supposed to be torn out of a magazine for the hoverboards. So it shows the hoverboard that Marty rode, and down at the bottom it shows him with the handlebars.
And the back it shows
the pit bull. And of course the additional hoverboards that the whole little Biff gang, or was it Griff's gang rode. There we go. Oh, that's really cool. Mr. Fusion sticker. So I guess if you had one of those coffee makers, you could actually slap this on and pretend you had a Mr. Fusion.
This is the 80s Cafe coaster.
This is a coaster from the 80s Cafe, and it's lenticular. Try to get it focused in on there. Twist it. Oh, there we go. No, up and down. Pretty cool. Probably something I will never use, but we'll definitely display. And we actually have one of these, but this is the Blast from the Past receipt. It's kind of a see-through receipt for the Gray's Almanac.
Looks like it's the Hill Valley.
It's Hill Valley futuristic. If you tilt it back and forth, not everything, but a lot of stuff kind of disappears. And then on the front, camera's not picking it up well.
Welcome to Hill Valley, Mayor
Yeah.
Goldie Wilson. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, the You're Fired from Cusco. Pretty cool. Oh, Cafe 80s. Flip it around.
And it says,
Oh my God, look at
Power
this
of
burger.
Love instead of Power of Love.
So you've got a burger with, looks like ice cream, eggs, bacon, pizza, burger. This is crazy. With fresh lettuce, it says.
Okay, now.
Alright, this next envelope is from 1955, and it says Hill Valley High School. Oh, the drawing of the,
I didn't know which way.
yeah, the Doc's drawing of the flux capacitor. Kind of gives the information. Okay. Lou's Cafe. Oh, it's a little menu board, or like a little menu. It's hard to read though. It's still pretty cool. Little flyer for the Enchantment Under the Sea dance. It says November 12th, 1955, Marvin Berry and the Starlighters, Hill Valley High School. Then you got a picture. That would be,
Right.
yeah, but I forgot what age she was, but.
17, probably.
And then the two lovebirds, hopefully after the dance. Hill Valley, what is this, a visitor's guide? 1955 visitor's guide. Kind of a map of downtown Hill Valley. Of course, you've got the clock tower right in the middle. You've got Lou's Cafe. A couple of the other shops, and then you see a car with Goldie Wilson advertising on it. On the inside, oh look, it's Marty's house. Kind of advertised, live in the home of tomorrow. And then a floor plan. And then kind of discussing their houses. Pretty cool.
1955.
1955. And 1885, and this says Hill Valley Telegraph.
Look how it's in the brown.
Oh, Emmett Brown's gravestone. You don't have to take it out. It should just work. So when you tilt it, it puts Emmett Brown on it, and then it completely disappears. Yep.
This one's save that for last.
Mad Dog Tannen. Reward for $5,000. How do you get back? Focus in. It said wanted for robbery of the Pine City stage, murder, and other crimes by order of Hill Valley's Chief Marshal James Strickland. Pretty cool. And looks like Hill Valley 1855 map. Wow. And it kind of tells everything up here in the legend. Pretty cool. Now this one here I heard is pretty big. I think it's the, what they call it, the Delgado mine. That, basically what Doc drew or made for Marty to find out where the time machine was. I won't be able to zoom in on it too well, but try to cover it as best I can. It's not showing up extremely well. And then ELB for Emmett Brown. And then right here it shows the time machine hidden behind the wall. Is there anything on the back?
No.
Nothing on the back. Now, one of the coolest things of this kit we are fixing to bring out. It is a plutonium bar. I think this is really cool. Now, if I could only find a replica canister to put this in, it would be freaking awesome. Definitely make part of my bigger collection. And that is it for the main set if you order this on Amazon. But we ordered the set from a Back to the Future website, and we've actually got a couple extra goodies with it. Normally you'd have to order the keys separate. But this is a replica of the DeLorean key with a keychain. It says 555-1128, out of time. And then we had this other little package which we haven't opened yet, so I'm not sure. I think this is a green and another two different poker chips for Biff's from Biff's casino. Oh, so it's two green Biffs. Are they different on the back? Oh, cool. So that's what you get. I think right now they're actually on sale for like $112, and that includes the key and the extra poker chips. Normally the key alone I think is $15, so it's not a bad deal for everything you get. And then this is another book that I'm wanting to get. You've seen those manuals of car manuals at like AutoZone or whatever. So this is a Haynes Back to the Future Time Machine owner's manual. Basically a workshop manual so you know how to build your time machine in your garage. Anyway, that is it. If you could, please help us out and hit subscribe, leave a comment. We have some more Back to the Future stuff coming in, and we also have two new cars to the channel we have not done a video on yet, and we will be bringing those out very shortly. Otherwise, have a great day, and see you later.